Today, I'd like to talk about color contrast. For AODA compliancy, we must meet WCAG Guideline 1.4.3 contrast minimum. This is a AA guideline. When we're talking about contrast ratio, color contrast ratio needs to be 4.5 to 1 for normal text and 3 to 1 for large text. Large text is considered 14-point bolded, 18-point not bolded. So how do we determine our color contrast ratio? There is this amazing tool that was created by the Pacello Group. Search the Pacello Group Color Contrast Analyzer. Once you get to their webpage, you will see an option to download for Windows and Mac. Click on this button, and once you are on the next page, scroll down to the bottom. If you are working from a PC, you want to download the setup.exe file. If you're working from a Mac, you want to download the DMG file. I want to explain a little bit about what you're seeing here. So this first part is going to show you your foreground color. This would be the color of your text. This next part is going to show you your background color. This would be the color behind your text. Over here, you're seeing the contrast ratio. And then at the bottom, you are seeing 3 WCAG guidelines. The one that we are interested in is the first one, 1.4.3 contrast minimum AA. To demonstrate the usage of this tool, I am going to check the color contrast of my title where it says contrast ratio. In order to use the tool and to select your foreground color, you're going to click on this eyedropper icon. Once you do that, you'll see a circle that opens up. When you hover that circle over different parts of your screen, you will see that the circle changes color depending on where you're hovering. So what I'm going to do is hover over the blue color of my text and click. After I click, you'll see that the color on the Color Contrast Analyzer tool has changed to the blue color of my title. Then I'm going to select the eyedropper tool for my background color and do the same for the background. So what the tool tells me is that the color contrast ratio between this blue color to the white background is 4.8 to 1, and that it passes for both regular text and large text. Let's check the color contrast of another pair of colors. So again, I'm going to select the eyedropper tool and hover over the blue color of my text. Then I'm going to select the background color picker tool and select my background color. So what the Color Contrast Analyzer is showing us is that this color combination fails for regular text and passes for large text. So what does this mean? This means that if we want to use this color combination, we have to ensure that our text is either 14-point bolded or 18-point not bolded at a minimum. And that's how you determine your color contrast ratio.